Hey guys, it's Miss Donahue again. I'm back again with another awkward video, but this time I want to give some instruction and just answer some questions about your first big assignment. You should have already taken the quiz by now, the About Me quiz that was on your Microsoft Teams channel. And now a lot of you will probably be able to figure this out on your own, but for those of you that have questions, I want to just kind of give some instructions on what I'm looking for your About Me PowerPoint assignment. So to start, you should already know how to get here based on taking the quiz. But if you haven't taken the quiz yet and you're a little bit confused, well, first of all, go take the quiz. And second of all, this should help you figure out both things. So to start, instead of really going straight into Teams for this assignment, you can actually do it out of PowerPoint. So just like ClassLink before that you used to go to Teams, you'll actually open up ClassLink again and you'll go to the Microsoft Office icon, and then you'll click on PowerPoint. Should be super easy. Once you do that, you'll find your class and you'll click on it, and you'll start working on your PowerPoint. Again, this is where you'll drop it off. You're going to drop it off where it says About Me PowerPoint, but once you open it and you begin working, you'll see that here are the directions. So the directions look like this. Let me just talk a little bit about them. The minimum number of slides that you need to have to get a good grade on this assignment is 6. So I will get students asking me, Miss Donahue, can I have more than 6 slides? Absolutely you can. But if you would like to get a 100, you have to have at least 6 slides. So I want to kind of go over with you guys really quickly what I'm looking for on each of those slides. You should have already watched my presentation, so you know a little bit about how it could look. It does not have to look like mine. I want you to be creative, to do whatever you would like, but there are a couple things that you need to have. So that's why I'm making this video, to kind of go over some of those things, okay? So your title slide is your first slide, all right? The 2 main things that you need to have on your title slide are 1, your name, and 2, a photo of you. So here's something I want to show you guys actually really quick, because I've already had students reach out about this, which is so great because you're already so concerned about getting good grades. But your photo, I would love to see a photo of you, especially because I cannot meet you in person right now. And that should be pretty easy. I know you guys are pretty good with technology to upload a photo or to take a selfie on your device. But if for whatever reason you are not able to, there's a couple options I'm going to let you have. First and foremost, you could draw a picture and have a picture that you drew. If that is too complicated for you, you could think of a character, whether a real life character or a cartoon character, somebody in a movie, somebody in a show you like that really you can relate to and that you like a lot. And maybe you say, you know what, I really want this character to be me, to represent me for my photo. And that is fine too. I won't take points off if you're unable to upload a photo, though I would love to see a photo of you. I also, if you notice on this slide, I put a heart. If you want to just put symbols, things that describe you, like you're filled with love or whatever it may be, I could put a soccer ball or something, or a teacher desk. You're welcome to do that as well. Of course, I would love to see a photo, but it's up to you on that slide. I'm not going to take points off if you aren't able to upload a photo. All right, slide 2 is really important. If you guys watched my video already, you know I had a slide about college and getting my master's. So here is your chance to kind of tell me about your education thus far. This slide should tell me where you went to middle school. If you want to include elementary school, that's fine too. And then it also should really talk about your experience with school. What's your favorite subject? Do you like school? What's your favorite things? Is it the classes? Is it the social aspects? Is it lunch? Is it recess? Is it PE? What kind of things do you like about school? Do you like it better virtually? Would you rather be in person? Just tell me about your experience with school on this slide. If you want to include pictures of you from middle school, I would love that. If you want to include pictures of assignments or work or whatever you want, go with it. As long as it looks good, it's creative. Okay? Like my presentation, your third slide is going to be your family slide. I would love to see photos of your family. I actually have a wall in my classroom that you will eventually get to see when we come back that has tons of photos that students have brought in of their family and all sorts of people that inspire them. So here's your chance to tell me about your family. How many siblings do you have? What are your pets like? Who inspires you in your family? Just things like that. I would love to know a little bit about your family. Slide 4. This was my favorite slide personally to make on my PowerPoint, so I hope that you guys have a lot of fun with it. These are your favorite things. It could be anything. Your favorite rap songs, your favorite foods, your favorite books, your favorite movies, shows, snacks, artists, games, people, candy, animals, colors, whatever you want. Your favorite anime character, your favorite type of drink. Like, seriously, put whatever things you like. I want to know as much as I can about you. And since I can't meet you in person yet, this will give me a lot of information that I need to know. What kind of things do you like? What are your favorite things? What are your interests? That slide should have tons of stuff, overflowing with stuff, just like mine. Slide 5 is really important. I mentioned earlier in my video that I really like teaching in different interactive ways. I like people to get together in groups. I like to play games. But what's really, really important is that I know how you like to learn. Some students, for instance, don't want to get in groups. They just want to do all their work on their own. I'm okay with that. I need to know that, though. Some students work better if I show things up on the screen or if I demonstrate how to do things. Some can just hear directions and know how to do it. Some like to get up and move around a classroom, to engage, to go out in the hall. They need breaks. Tell me what your strengths are. What are you really good at? Are you good at taking notes? Are you good at taking tests? Maybe you're not. Maybe you're really good at reading or writing, but you're not so good at taking tests. So I would love to know about your strengths and weaknesses here. That would be really awesome. Don't be too hard on yourself, okay? Last but not least is your goals slide. A lot of times we just think of like little goals, but what I want you guys to think of for this slide is I want you to tell me about your goals, not only in 9th grade. Maybe it's to pass all your classes or to not be tardy or to get to 10th grade, whatever it may be. But I want you to think bigger than that. What are your high school goals? What are your life goals after high school? What is your plan? What do you want to do? What do you want to be? I actually spoke on the phone with one of my students in homeroom, and she said she already knows in 9th grade she wants to be a vet. If that's something you know, let me know that, because that's something I can also help you achieve. What kind of grades do you want to have? Do you want to get a job? What kind of job do you want? I had a ton of kids this summer during quarantine get new jobs, and it was really, really, really exciting. I'm able to go visit them at work. I just want to know a little bit about your goals and what motivates you, because that'll help me as a teacher. When you have all 6 slides, and if you want to add more, you're welcome to add more. Anything else you think I need to know about you, what you will do is you will go back to that slide. You'll go back to the assignment, and where you had already read the directions, you will click Add Work. All right? Here's what's really important. When you save your PowerPoint to turn into me, all right, I want your file to be about me and then your name. That is the name of the file that you're uploading, okay? So if my name is Molly Donahue, I'm going to save my PowerPoint about me, Molly Donahue, okay? You're going to click Add Work. You're going to select that file about me, Molly Donahue, and you're going to upload it. Then you hit Submit, and that is your first big assignment, and you are done for the day. All right? If you have any questions, you know how to find me. You can either message me on Teams, you can email me, class Instagram, or on Remind. I'm here to help you, all right? Don't overthink it. I just want to get to know you a little bit better. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm so excited to learn about you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.